Introducing the Quartz V2 straw, the ultimate way to enjoy every last drop of your favorite concentrate. The Quartz V2 straw is identified by its gray logo and gray silicone cap. The cap is intended to keep the tip of the straw clean. The Quartz V2 straw is 5 inches long and is intended for concentrate. It has a higher melting point, allowing for better durability at higher temperatures. To use the Quartz V2 straw, start by using a torch to heat up the tip to your desired temperature. Now place it on top of the concentrate of your choice and inhale in. When finished, return the silicone cap to maintain a clean tip. To clean the Quartz V2 straw, start by submerging the straw in isopropyl alcohol. Then shake the bag and allow it to soak for an hour. When complete, rinse with water and allow to air dry. Quartz V2 straw by White Rhino. Buy the Quartz V2 straw now and improve your smoking experience at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.